Hello, welcome back again. This video will show you how to correctly extract a project downloaded from your maintenance blog and then import it into Eclipse. You'll be performing this activity anytime you are going to run or go to lab or perform any lab exercise. So it's very important you understand how to do it. So for example, when I go to my maintenance blog and I go to week 1 and I go to part 1, I can see the lab session contains a project that you can download and add to your Eclipse so that you can continue to test it and work from it. So I'll download this first, which you are going to see when it's time for you to do your exercise. It will be open for you to see, so you have to download it. So for example, I have downloaded it into my download folder. So once I've done that, I can go to my download folders. So it's here. Okay, I can just cut it and put it on the folder. So let me put it here. So this is your project that we have downloaded. It's a zip file. So I have to extract it. So I can go to extract all. And there's one thing you have to know. The zip file name is basic Java program. When you extract it using this, it's going to create a subfolder under it. So what I can do is to remove this file and leave it on the desktop, so that when you extract it will create a new file or folder with the file content. So after extracting, now I have this file that contains the extracted file with my projects, and this is a zip file. So this is what we want, that contains your project settings. So now we can open our Eclipse. So you double click on this Eclipse icon here. You start loading. In the previous video, we created our workspace. So we are going to use that same workspace. So we launch it. Okay, I think it's already open. So let me just close this file so that we can start from the beginning. So you double click on it to open. Assuming it's not already open, I just wanted to start from the scratch. So we already have this workspace created. So we launch this same workspace to open it. So now we have this workspace open. So in here, we have the old project that we created. We are going to add this second project to it. So now to add a second project, we need to import it. So to import, you go to File, you go to Import, then you go to General, then you click on Existing Project into Workspace. Then you click on Next. It's very important. So let me repeat again. You go to File, Import, you select General, you drill down, you go to Existing Project into Workspace, you go to Next, then you need to select the root directory. So you browse to the location of where you unzip, which will be on your desktop at this instance. If you didn't extract it on your desktop, you have to go to the location. So mine was on the desktop. So click on Desktop. So you see this file, which contains the settings and the bin and the SRC, the source folder that contains your program. So let's select this. It says Select Folder. Now you can see that right now it has selected the location. If we leave it as this, it means always going to point to the desktop, but we want to have our project in the workspace that we have created. So because of that, we need to click on Copy Project into Workspace. Very important. if you don't check on this one, it will always be referencing the one on the desktop. So if by mistake somebody delete the folder from the desktop, then you are going to lose your project. So you need to check on the copy project into workspace so that will copy it from that location and put it in your workspace. So once you have checked that, then you can click on finish. So now we have the two projects, the basic Java program and our first project. So this one is the first one that we wrote. Now there is a new one that we have added under source. We have different projects or files or programs that we can test, which we are going to use during the lab session. So this is the way to add a project. So anytime we start a lab session, you see the zip file that contains some code that you are going to modify and also to look at. So you are going to use this process. So when I try to check this and I run it, it displays whatever we have written in the code. So this is the way you can add new projects into the existing workspace. So I hope this was easier to do, and anytime there's a new project in your lab session, you'll be able to download it, extract it, and import it into this current workspace. If you love this video, click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video or a new session, you get notification so that you can follow to help you and guide you to have an overview before you come to class. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.